Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's an inspired look by Daimier Makeup. She actually did a recreation of my Christmas look. Here is hers. And yeah, in honor of her recreating my makeup look, I'm going to be doing one of hers today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
I got what you want, but you like the view when we're lonely at the top. Vibes on me, I got what you want, but you like the view when we're lonely at the top.
Starting off with the James Charles palette, and I'm using my Morphe brush M441, and I'm packing this dark orange color onto my crease. Using the orange color, and I'm using my Morphe brush M573, and I'm packing this on top of the previous color. Using LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using my Morphe brush M124 to cut my crease. Using the shimmer Zola from the Juvias palette, and I'm using my Morphe brush M421 to pack this onto my crease. Using the yellow from the James Charles palette, and I'm using my Morphe brush M321, and I'm placing this at the end of the crease. Using the green from the James Charles palette, and I'm also using the same brush that I used for the yellow, and I'm placing this at the end of the crease. Using my liquid liner that I got from Sephora, and I'm just going to be creating a winged liner. Taking the color Bori from the Juvias palette, and I'm going to be placing this color near my lash line. Taking these two shimmers, and I'm going to be placing these two near my tear duct. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next one.